How to transfer pictures from Android to PC using Google Drive. This wireless method makes moving photos between devices quick and simple. First, open the Google Drive app on your Android device. Next, tap on the plus icon in the bottom right corner. Following that, tap on Upload from the menu options. Now, select Photos and Videos to browse your gallery. Moving forward, choose the pictures you want to transfer by tapping on them. You can select multiple photos at once. Afterwards, once you've selected all your photos, tap on Upload in the bottom right corner. In addition to that, wait for the upload to complete. You'll see a progress indicator at the bottom of the screen. Once the upload finishes, open a web browser on your PC and go to drive.google.com. Subsequently, sign in with the same Google account you used on your Android device. Moreover, you'll see all your uploaded photos in Google Drive. Click on the photos you want to download. Afterwards, right-click on the selected photos and choose Download, or click the three dots and select Download. Then your pictures will be saved to your PC's Downloads folder. Alternatively, you can also select multiple photos, right-click, and download them all at once as a zip file. And that's it. If you found this cloud transfer method useful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and hit the bell icon to stay notified. See you in the next one.